looks good. Just picked up some plantains at a, I think it was like a bodega. Yeah, it was definitely a bodega. And I'm about to go in the shop, right, and get some cooking oil, and also tomato and onions, and maybe some stuff to make for dinner. Let's go do that. Yeah, I love the way this car looks with the headlights on. So 90s. Yeah, I should bring in my own bag. I'll be walking out here like a jerk off sometimes. I hope I have a bag in the trunk. Yeah, I could have sworn I had a bag back here. Oh, I do. Nice. Yeah, this trunk is tiny as hell, right? Yeah, this is the first time I'm bringing my own bag to the supermarket. Oh shit, they already got mums out? Here! Let's go, baby. Let me get a cart here. Good morning. Really ever loved a woman?